Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on your iPhone, update Apple Maps, enable location services, and mount the phone where you can glance safely. Once done, open Apple Maps and type the destination. Choose the route you prefer and tap Start. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active so maps can recalculate. This gets Apple Maps actively guiding you. Next, connect audio and mirror cues into the Tesla so you can use Apple's directions while driving. Pair your iPhone to the Tesla's Bluetooth and route media and call audio through the car speakers. This ensures Apple Maps voice prompts are heard without phone handling. Then, manually enter the same address into the Tesla nav using the touchscreen, or say the address with Tesla voice commands so the car's route aligns with Apple's. Also, enable Do Not Disturb while driving on the phone. It prevents alerts from interrupting guidance and keeps attention on the road. Confirm the Apple Maps voice prompts come through the Tesla speakers and tweak volume so you hear every instruction. Use the phone for turn-by-turn guidance while relying on the Tesla display for lane and traffic visuals. This combination gives the best situational awareness. If prompts stop, first reconnect Bluetooth and set Tesla as trusted device. If that fails, plug the phone into USB or AUX for audio pass-through. That single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.